Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something I have been building for a while. Okay, and honestly, something I wish I had when I first started. Okay, so it's called the Trade Journal dashboard. Here you can see simply uh, attach to the chart, and here you can see the details. Okay, so a fully automated trading journal, okay, that runs directly inside MetaTrader 5. Okay, and no more spreadsheet, no manual data entry, no third-party websites. Everything you need to understand your own performance is right here, okay, on your chart, updated in real time. Okay, so before I show you the features, I want to quickly explain why this matters, because a lot of traders skip the journaling part, and that actually one of the biggest mistake you can make. Okay, all right, so that's the default when you open this dashboard. Okay, let me go to the calendar tab. That's the main tab where the everything is happening. Okay, and one thing you can see in here, the real, if your account is real, it's going to display real. If it's demo, it's going to display the demo. Okay, very simple as that. Okay, now, so here is the thing. Most traders think they know how they are performing. Okay, they remember the big wins, they try to forget the bad days, and at the end of the month they have a rough feeling. Okay, I know that, it was okay or it was rough, but feelings are facts, are very important things. Okay, but the truth is, you cannot improve what you cannot measure. Okay, and if you don't know which hours of the day you were profitable in, uh, you might be given back your entries, entire weeks gains in one bad morning session. Okay, and if you don't know your real win rate, not what you think it is, your actual win rate, you can't make intelligent decisions about your risk management. Okay, and the other things most traders never track is their discipline, not just profit. That are you following your rules? Are you over trading when the market gets slow, or are you moving your stop loss when you shouldn't? Right? This dashboard totally tracks all of that automatically from the trade history, your real trade history, with no manual input from you. Okay, so that's the full panel, you can clearly see, right? And let me walk you through what you are looking at. Let me mark it down. So at the very top, we have a six card. Okay, there is a 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Six card. And here also you can see uh, today, week, month. I will go through everything one by one. Okay, but on the left hand side, you can clearly see the total profit and loss. Okay, and you can see the daily limit. You can set, like in here I set 50. you can set the daily limit of your trading. Okay, here you can see the drawdown. You can clearly see the drawdown in here. You can also check your trades, total trades, and win rate. And here HWMDD, that means high watermark drawdown, and swap and commission. Okay, and here you can see I click on the all. Okay, I will come to this later. Okay, now let me, and here if I click today, you can see today I made 31.80 That's the today's profit. Here you can see that's the today's, and if you notice that I today I trade only one trade, which you can see in here. Also you can go take a look, and this week I just made $8 around. Here you can see the total calculation in here. You can see because I had have some bad days. Okay, and also if I go to the month section, you can see this month I almost gained that much. Okay, and that's the months. You can see I gain over 29.4%. Okay, and I have a bad month as well and good month as well. Okay, very simple. So okay, now hold on. And if I go to the chart tab, and if I go to the chart tab, okay, so the chart tab shows your balance evolution. Okay, a bar chart of your cumulative profit and loss over time. Okay, and let me click on this in here. All right, so a bar chart of your loss and profit things are showing in here, right? And it's working same as well if you click in here. All right, very simple. You can simply filter this by period and by symbol. Here you can see the custom date. You can see also you can select the symbol. I just trade gold only, but by mistake I just opened two trade on BTC. That's why it's showing. Okay, and what I can, and also if I show you here, you can see I deposit $500, withdraw $300. Right now the balance is 613.45 cent USD. You can see, and also you can see the growth. Okay, almost 83% growth, which is pretty good. And also if I go to the month, here you can see this month my win rate 56%. I like that. So that's why this is very important to have this dashboard to calculate everything, right? You will also notice across the row we have deposits, withdrawal, your live balance here, and you can keep see this. So I just manage this. You will understand what you are trading or what you are doing in your daily trading life, right? So it's real honest return on investment figure, right? And now if I talk about the calendar tab, this is my favorite tab. Okay, that's the whole game. I just put everything together. That's the main. I love that. Only that calendar section I need. Very simple. Every single day shows you the net profit or loss in dollars. Here you can see a drawdown, you can see gain, you can see in here how many trades you have done. Like in here I trade 3 trade, 2 I won and 1 lose, and total win rate for the day 67%. See, so that's the dollar, that's the gain, that's the DD, and that's the total details. So everything under one cell. That's the beauty. Okay. And if you I will show you the bad month where having a bad day. Okay, that's you can see the May. Here you can see the May is 2.9%. If I go in here, just click the previous. In here you can see I have very rough day. Very rough day. Okay, so 5 trades, 0 wins, drawdowns of nearly 45%. Okay, and that's crazy. All right, that's crazy. But as long I manage the risk, I just capture. Okay, as long I capture. And the hourly tab, if I show you the hourly tab, let me go to the in here. In hourly tab, the hourly tab is something most trading journals completely miss. This is 7-day by 24-hour performance grid. Okay, here you can see that every grid is a day of the week, every column is an hour of the day, and each cell shows you your profit and trade count for the specific combination, right? Okay, and here if I go to the arena status, here you can see where the real analyze lives, the overview tabs. Here you can see the overview tabs, gives you the 3 key performance cases like profit factor, max drawdown, okay, and sharp trade level and simplified. Very simple as that. Like profit factor and max drawdown and sharp style consistency ratio is with the visual bar showing where you sit on the scale from poor to excellent. See, you can see this. And where I have to, let me see. Okay, and here you can see the discipline score. That's the beauty. You have a discipline score. This is a rule-based score built from your actual trading behavior. It checks for overtrading, inconsistent position sizing, extended loss streaks, and other patterns that indicate you were drifting from your rules. It's not a guess, it's built from your real history. Okay, and also you can see performance flags and positive feedback, right? And now if I go to the advanced tab, here almost you will understand when you visit this. It's a statistics like full drawdown breakdown, win and loss streaks, biggest single win and loss, and the cost of mistake estimates based on your stop loss hit rate. Very simple. And now if I go to the calendar tab, one more thing I can show you. Okay, like if you check that on April I just had a 2 bad day, and if you notice that all the weeks was profitable, right? But the next month I just having some bad month, but I understand where I made the round. And here you can see that's the BTC trade that's the BTC trade I took. See, that's the BTC trade. That's the only BTC trade I took. And the next month I understand my mistake and I recover from everything now. Here you can see. And now one more extra feature I added, like here you can see hide balance. Okay, hide balance then is a toggle mode like deposit or daily balance. Okay, very simple. Like what they let me show you. Okay, now if I click the hide balance, you can see every balance or amount is become a star mode. See, you cannot see anymore. Like if you want to share your portfolio with your client, you can simply click the hide balance and you can only share the gain, drawdown, win rate, daily win rate. You can see in here daily win rate, weekly gain, weekly loss. You can just completely share everything without showing your balance, right? So now if I click on the show balance, now you can see. And here by default it's calculate daily gain from deposit balance. Like in here you can see my deposit is $500 and today I gain 6.36%, which it comes $32 almost. But if I click on the daily balance, that means like today's balance is $613. So that's the daily balance. So if I made some profit, it will calculate from this balance. But if you want to calculate from the deposit balance, just simply click on that and it will recalculate from your deposit balance. Very simple is that, right? So there is nothing to show you guys. That's everything you need. And on the left hand side you can wins only, loses only, SL hits, TP hits. You guys can take a look. And I didn't add the news things on this dashboard because I feel that it's not looks good, because you guys do have Forex Factory and other tools to show the news filter. And on the one more thing, here you can see from the starting balance, from the month I started. Okay, here you can see the April and the current month. Okay, so just you guys can see everything, and you guys can see my curve is very well enough, because I almost withdraw $300 profit balance. So yeah, right now I'm at good position. Okay, so yeah, that's the trade journal dashboard. It's runs directly inside from your MT5, and it reads your history automatically. It updates every few seconds, and it works across every symbol and every time frame on your account. There is no manual logging, no maintenance, no third-party subscription. Your data stays inside your own terminal, right? So if you want to get serious about your trading, not just about finding setups, but about the genuinely understanding your own performance, this is the tool I built for exactly that. Okay, because most of the time we see something like this dashboard on the web portal or website area, like the pro firm sites mostly use something like that. So it's, and other sites offer the subscription package, but if you use this one you can completely use your own, very simple. Like, and if you have any questions about the setup or anything you saw in this video, drop them in the comments or message me on mql5. I will try to answer every single one. Okay, and that's pretty much everything for this new tool. And yeah, so wish you all the best and make sure you manage the risk. uh, as long you manage the risk, yeah, you are stay in this business. Okay, don't be too greedy, don't look for profit only, look for the proper setup. Stay in your rules. Okay, yeah. um, Thank you guys, thanks for watching.